And it's gonna be going back out soon. In the box. Písale. And you can already hear the difference. Yeah. So that was another install of an exhaust cutout, just like the other TL. Wasn't really showing you guys how to install it because you do have to weld and you do have to wire it in and everything. The wiring is easy. It's a kit. You know, you basically don't really need anything other than a way out of the car and a way to hook it up. So this one went through the back seats, and in the center console there's a plug-in, I want to say the cigarette lighters. It connects to one of those, so you don't really need anything. Like, you don't need to fuck with wires or anything. You just connect it into the one that's inside of the armrest, and then you go ahead and you get yourself your exhaust cutout, which then you can open and close. You want to put it before your mufflers, because if you put it after your mufflers, you won't really have a silent mode. You'll just have a loud and louder mode, or it's just gonna be loud all the time. So that's not really what we go for when we do the exhaust cutout. What we want is to have it quiet when you're on the freeway, just cruising. Sometimes the drone can get annoying, but when you're like on the streets or at a meet or something, you pop it open, you know. And yes, this modification is illegal, but you know, car people don't really fuck with, you know, the law that much. So if you want to do an exhaust cutout, you basically have an exhaust on and off, loud as fuck or quiet, whenever you want, the push of a button, as you guys saw. So that is it for this video. I will be having more on these two cars and the one that just left. That was my friend. So that is it for this video. I do have plans for the TSX here in the future. It's just been a time waiting, you know. Winter's coming up, so I'm definitely not gonna get wheels or anything like that. Just got tires for both of the cars, so I mean, I'm not really looking for wheels right now. I do want to see if I can make a video on how to take off dents, because as you guys can see, some idiot at a parking lot decided to sideswipe me and dip. So I might do a video on how to do that. Got this little kit online, and it worked on the Element, so I might just do it on this as well. But yeah, it's pretty scuffed up, and it's got like a little ding. You can see it better that way. So just a little update video on what I've been doing. Basically, I've just been too busy working, and I'm waiting on my W2 to be able to modify this bitch. I am thinking of getting the taillights and the headlights from OEM Massive, the LED ones. Not really fucking around with this car. This car is my sister's car now. That was already modified from when it used to be my brother's. But as you guys can see, like, it's been de-modified to the point where it just kind of looks normal. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.